Hey everyone, this is Raj here. Big news this morning in AI and semiconductor space. AMD and OpenAI have struck a deal, a massive deal that could reshape who is in control of AI infrastructure. Stock markets are reacting hard and for good reason. Let's break down what's going on and what it means and what the risks are. AMD and OpenAI announced a multi-year, multi-generation deployment agreement. Under it, AMD will supply OpenAI with 6 gigawatts worth of AI compute across multiple GPU families. The first tranche, that is a 1 gigawatt, is slated for second half of 2026, powering AMD's upcoming Instinct MI450 series. The first tranche, 1 gigawatt, is slated for second half of 2026 and it will be powered by AMD's upcoming Instinct MI450 series. To align interests, AMD issued OpenAI a warrant for up to 160 million AMD shares. That's roughly 10% of AMD's outstanding shares, depending on share float. The warrant vests in stages tied to deployment milestones, technical or commercial achievement by OpenAI, and share price targets for AMD. Challenging Nvidia's dominance is what is happening out here. Nvidia has long been the preferred compute provider for AI workloads. This deal signals that OpenAI is diversifying compute partnerships and giving AMD a credible shot at becoming a top AI hardware supplier. AMD expects that this agreement, combined with follow-on deals, will generate tens of billions of dollars in new revenue. The market responded strongly today. In pre-market, the shares jumped 23 to 24% in pre-market trading. And this isn't just a supplier deal. The structure of the warrant ties AMD's upside to OpenAI's success and vice versa. At the same time, US indices like S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow are holding near highs, showing investor appetite for tech AI bets despite political uncertainty. The US federal government is partially shut down, delaying some economic data releases. Data such as employment data and agency reports, etc. Longer shutdown extensions could weigh on sentiment and GDP growth. Meanwhile, markets are watching the Fed very closely. There is speculation that rate cuts could be on the table later this year, which favors growth and tech sectors. Remember, right now we are still in the bad news is good news environment. Any rate cuts is going to spur the market. Delivering 6 gigawatts of compute power over multiple generations is a heavy lift, from manufacturing supply chain to integration. The warrants are tied to share price thresholds. If AMD fails to hit those, OpenAI might not realize the full 160 million shares. OpenAI still has other relationships, including with Nvidia, and may continue in-house hardware efforts. The AMD deal doesn't entirely exclude others. It's not exclusive. If shutdown drags or inflation remains sticky, rate cuts might be delayed, which could impair enthusiasm for growth names. This AMD OpenAI deal is a bold bet that AMD could leap into the AI infrastructure arena. For AMD, the revenue upside is staggering. For OpenAI, it secures a major compute partner beyond just doubling down on Nvidia and thereby reduces the risk. But it's not risk-free. Execution, completion stages, and macro regime shifts, all of that matters. For investors, this is a high potential, high variance outcome. Over the next 12 to 24 months, watch how AMD performs relative to its roadmap, how OpenAI deploys its GPU fleets, and whether the markets remain receptive. Friends, if you like this breakdown, hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell. I'll be tracking this story as it develops. Also, please visit our Substack for raw information which contains more details than videos because we have more time out there. See you soon at ShareTrek and at our Substack. Bye for now.